Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of the David Tutera inspired Botanical Bundle that will be featured on HSN Wednesday, July 11th. Let's take a look at everything that's included. First up, we have a Thinlits set, and look at all these sentiments that are included, from happy birthday to friend to thank you to for you and hello, and that comes with this essential tag shape. Next up, we have our collection of different leaves. All of these are created to support our Thinlits set of flowers. So you're able to create three-dimensional flowers of different sizes and support them with the leaf sets. So let's take a look at how these actually look. So first up, we have our sentiment friend, and then look at this beautiful three-dimensional flower and these pretty leaves that are sticking along behind it. And don't forget there's that tag shape that we talked about as well. And oh, I love this one. Look at how nice all of these flowers are, mixed in with all of the leaf shapes. Those really come together nicely, and then a perfect frame around your sentiment. Thank you. And then last up, look how gorgeous this is. This entire bouquet made of all of these Thinlit flowers with the supporting leaf shapes. So you can see how all these work together so nicely to give you a beautiful card front. And we even have our sentiment phrase down here, happy birthday, with the tag shape. So many beautiful creative options with this botanical bundle, all inspired by David Tutera. Don't miss us on Wednesday, July 11th on HSN.